Most people don't realize the biggest wealth building moments in real estate don't arrive with fanfare. They arrive looking like a construction fence. They arrive looking like a city commission hearing. They arrive looking exactly like what's happening right now on Fruitville Road in downtown Sarasota. And most people are going to drive right past it. My name is Brandy Loebker, and I'm the host of the Coffey Group's YouTube channel. And today, I want to walk you through exactly what's happening in Sarasota real estate right now and what it means for your ability to build, protect, and transfer wealth on Florida's Gulf Coast. Here's what's interesting. The block you're looking at right now, those colorful 1920s bungalows, those local restaurants have been a part of Sarasota's downtown, since I was a kid, identity for decades. That entire block is under contract to a developer from Franklin, Tennessee. The project is called 1899 Fruitville Road. 5 stories, 324 units, 6-level parking structure, pool, gym, clubhouse, and it's currently working its way through Sarasota's Development Review Committee. But what most people are missing, this is not a single development. Within just a few blocks of this site alone, we have 3 additional major projects in various stages of approval. Fruitville Gateway, 274 units to the east, the High Line, 11 stories, 142 units on the north, and Astor and Leaks, already complete, 2 10-story towers, 420 apartments, 50,000 square feet of commercial right across the street. This isn't random. This is a map of a city being rebuilt, block by the mathematics of land cost, density bonuses, and institutional capital that has found the Gulf Coast. Now, the open-minded thing to consider is this. Some people look at Sarasota's $1.7 billion transportation infrastructure shortfall and see a warning sign. I want to show you why experienced real estate investors see something very different. Sarasota County recently outlined nearly $2.3 billion in transportation needs over the next 13 years with only $573 million projected revenue. The gap is real. But in every Gulf Coast market we've studied over 20 years, sustained demand pressure just like this, combined with constrained new supply. And this has preceded significant and durable appreciation. Meanwhile, Sarasota County just opened a brand new $30.9 million planning and development one-stop center. The goal, process growth faster. That's not a government pumping the brakes. That's a government building on ramps. At the Coffey Group, we organize everything we do around 3 pillars: building wealth, protecting wealth, and transferring wealth to the next generation, keeping families together. And Sarasota's current development moment touches all 3. If you're a buyer or investor, transitional quarters offer the highest risk, adjusted upside right now. You're buying into a neighborhood institutional capital has already validated at pricing that still reflects yesterday's Sarasota. If you're a seller, proximity premium is a real measurable thing. What if I told you that waiting 18 months could mean the difference between selling at peak premium or competing with 324 brand new units? And if you're thinking generationally, just imagine owning a piece of downtown Sarasota 5 years from now. The crane's gone, the rooftop bars are full, a fully walkable urban district that rivals any Gulf Coast address in Florida. The families building generational wealth here are positioning during the disruption, not after. Would you be open to a conversation about where you specifically should be positioned right now, whether you own property in Sarasota already or you're looking to acquire, or you're thinking about this from an investment or legacy planning lens? The Coffey Group works with clients at every stage of wealth building in your journey. The good news is that you don't have to figure this out alone. Hit subscribe for weekly Gulf Coast wealth strategy tips and more information on the downtown horizon and more. And the link to book a private consultation with the Coffey Group is right below this video. Sarasota is being rebuilt. The question isn't whether that's happening. The question is, where are you when it's done? I'll see you next week.